Alright, so we're at Kies Auto Show right now. The show is actually full to capacity, the whole parking lot, all of Bmw's. It's really awesome meeting some of you guys in person and checking out your cars, and yeah, we're just really enjoying the show right now.
So the car show this year, Kies Auto Show 2019, as you can see, it's incredible. See ya. We had, sorry, someone's waving. We had over 125 people sign up, and this section here is about 100 or so cars. You can see we have them like double and triple parked. We have them caddy corner. We had to put our cars over there. We're getting ready to move even more cars, so I haven't counted yet, but I would have to guess that there's probably 150 cars or so. We're actually parked around the building too, so next year we're gonna have to go to a different venue. But it's been absolutely incredible. It's been amazing to get an opportunity to meet a lot of you. We're getting like shot at by some verbals here. But yeah, it's been an amazing show, and the cool thing is we're raising a lot of money, and every dollar that we raise is going to a family in need. So it's all for a really good cause. It's not to make money and do all that kind of stuff. We're just trying to be helpful, and it's been awesome, and getting to hang out with Justin's been awesome. So
hey, I'm Tommy, I'm from the Bronx, and I brought over my E90.
Hey, I'm Dan. I'm from Warminster, Pennsylvania. I drove my 2007 E93 hardtop convertible, and I'm happy to be here. I got to see Justin and met his wife and Brian and everyone from Kies, and it's just a great showing, and I'm enjoying myself a lot.
Hey, how you doing? My name's Andrew. I'm from Metuchen, New Jersey. This is my 335i.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy James. What's your forte? So right now I rode down with John, Thick F30 from Charlotte, and I got my 435 here. It's 2016 ZHP 435. Got the carbon fiber lip, 437 wheels. Got the carbon pieces, side mirror caps, in performance exhaust. Right now my future plans is going to be full bolt on tune, and then we'll see where it goes from there, man. So all right.
My name is Evan from Raritan Township, Flemington, New Jersey. Came from about 50 miles away. This is my 2015 BMW F82 M4, Dynan Stage 2 tune. It's actually running boot mod now because I find Dynan actually too conservative for me. Just bought it about 2 months ago. It's pretty nice. It came with the BMW M Performance steering wheel, light up steering wheel. You can peep that ticket I got right there. Dynan exhaust with the Dynan rear diffuser. But yeah, love this thing. Absolute monster.
My name is Wilbur Fernandez, and we're coming from New York. I had an M3 2015 black. It has stage 3 Dynan all the way. Just installed, so we changed it to upper coverage as titanium. Last week I just did the mid-pipe upper coverage too. Later on I'm gonna do also the downpipes to see how it better sounds. Yeah.
What's up, guys? My name is Adam, and this is my 2013 F30 335i. Fully modded out to whatever I could think of. Honestly, performance is full bolt on, cosmetically is done. I'm waiting on a couple carbon parts, but so far this is where she is right now.
All right, so it's a white ticket and it is 854840.
This show was incredible. So many people came out. It was awesome meeting some of you guys here in person, seeing your cars. Just a really emotional event. I'm gonna remember this one. So thanks for watching, guys. Give me a thumbs up, and I hope that I see you here next year if we do it again.